What is step touch cardio?
Step touch cardio is a beginner-friendly exercise that involves stepping side to side while bringing your feet together. This rhythmic movement offers a simple way to raise your heart rate, improve coordination, and boost energy. Perfect for small spaces, it can be performed at home or anywhere, making it a convenient choice for those new to cardio workouts.
Benefits of step touch.
This step touch cardio offers many benefits. It's low impact, reducing stress on your joints. The movement helps improve balance, coordination, and flexibility. It recruits major muscle groups in your legs and core, supporting better stability. Because it's beginner-friendly, it can be a fun way to stay active without needing special equipment or a gym membership.
How to perform the step touch.
Begin standing tall with feet together. Step your right foot out to the side, then bring your left foot to join it. Repeat to the opposite side, moving smoothly back and forth. Keep a slight bend in your knees and swing your arms gently for rhythm. Focus on landing softly and maintaining a steady pace for the duration of your workout.
Tips for success.
To get the most from step touch cardio, start slow and focus on good posture. Engage your core, look forward, and keep shoulders relaxed. You can adjust speed to match your fitness level. Adding light arm movements or small hops can increase intensity as you progress. Be mindful of your breathing and listen to your body if you need breaks.
Building a cardio routine.
Incorporate step touch moves into your daily routine for lasting benefits. Try starting with 5 to 10 minutes, gradually increasing time as your stamina improves. Combine step touch with other basic exercises like marching or light squats for a well-rounded session. Consistency is key. Regular practice can help boost your energy, mood, and overall fitness.